All right, we are back with another weekly vegan meal idea video for you guys. Today's meal, which is our first meal, is going to be some lentil mushroom stew with sweet potato mash. All right, here's the lentil mushroom stew with sweet potato mash underneath. If you could smell it. Oh, my Lanta. How are we going to accomplish this, Chrissy?
Yes, this is one of our 3 Instant Pot meals for the week. All of it, including the sweet potatoes, all going to be made in the same pot. We'll start off with the lentil mushroom base. You don't see lentils here because we've already got them in our cupboard.
Yep.
We'll start by sauteing our veggies and the mushrooms. Then we'll throw in the lentils, some tomato paste, and some fresh herbs for the seasoning. And we'll throw a steamer basket in there, and then throw the sweet potatoes in the steamer basket. Oh, and I forgot to mention, some whiskey will also be featured in the stew too for a little bit of depth of the flavor.
All right, perfect. We will see you momentarily for meal number 2. Alrighty, meal number 2 is meatball banh mi, and I'm not sure what that is, but we're gonna find out. All right, I need you guys to admit that this looks insane. Look at this sandwich. Got the, what's the sauce on the bottom?
It's a chipotle mayo.
Chipotle mayo.
Or sriracha mayo, sorry.
Sriracha mayo.
Yeah, it's Asian.
It's a thick boy. Oh yeah, little meatballs made out of what?
White beans and walnuts.
Lovely.
Yes, banh mi is a Vietnamese sandwich typically made with some type of meat, gross, and some pickled veggies. So
what are we going to use instead of?
Instead of meat, we'll be making meatballs with some cannellini beans and walnuts, onion, breadcrumbs, some sriracha, and then the pickled vegetables will be radishes, cucumbers, jalapeno, green onions, some carrots, served on top of some little sandwich bread. We don't often do sandwiches, but I thought it'd be fun to try for this one, but we'll also probably make some rice so we can eat it as a bowl as well.
Yep, might as well have a fun sandwich bread, right? Instead of just some regular white bread. Mm-hmm. Awesome. Well, I'm excited for this one because we like to diversify our cultures when we're having our meals. You can too if you follow the recipe in the description, baby. We will see you here in a minute for meal number 3.
See you there for meal number 3.
Well, I'm here. And meal number 3 is mushroom risotto. Risotto.
Risotto.
I can't read. Okay. Mushroom risotto. That boy thick. Risotto. A lot of mushrooms, a lot of chickpeas, a lot of thickness, baby. Yeah. I know what this one is. We've had this in the past, which does put this into the Hall of Fame of being a certified banger.
Yes.
So we highly suggest any meals that repeat. If you see us repeat a meal, it's probably because it's phenomenal.
All right. So
let's hear it.
Okay, so the reason I wanted to make this one this week is because our Whole Foods has recently started carrying some new mushroom varieties, and I was like, oh, you gotta do it. And what's best way to do it? Some mushroom risotto, because we need, as you can see, a ridiculous amount of mushrooms. So for our mushrooms, we'll be using some baby bella, shiitake, and then this variety pack, which this one actually says what's in it. Oh, it's an umami mushroom pack with trumpet, shiitake, and some oyster mushrooms.
Some blue oyster.
Blue oyster mushrooms.
Nice. Yeah. Blue oysters are something I actually wanted to try. They look pretty funky.
Yeah, look how funky that looks. They look crazy.
Yeah, they certainly do. A little bit scary.
A little bit.
That's why I would never trust myself to forage in the woods for mushrooms, because I would be choosing the wrong ones. Yeah, I'm not quite crazy. Alright, so how do we accomplish the rest of them? We know we have mushrooms. What's the rest? Because I believe this is an Instapot one, which makes that not only a certified banger, but an easy meal to make comparatively.
Yes, so we start off by sauteing some shallots, garlic in the Instant Pot. Then we'll throw in our mushrooms and our risotto rice, toast it a little bit, and then in goes the vegetable broth, which we have, some white wine, and we're adding some chickpeas to this for a little bit of extra protein.
Yep, of course. High protein, no processed foods, no fake meats, no tofu. Yeah, you get the nutrients in.
Oh,
Be having you jacked up, boy. Oh yeah, being a vegan gonna make you jacked.
Alright, will you eat some parsley straight?
Yep.
Probably tastes pretty good, honestly.
Alright, we will see you momentarily. It does not taste good.
No.
For meal number 4. Meal number 4 is sweet potato and black bean enchiladas. Here's the beautiful black bean enchiladas. Oh man. So good. Another certified banger. We love Mexican food in this household, and I'm sure you do too, because who wouldn't? So how are we going to accomplish the enchiladas?
Yes, so this one, we will also be making a homemade enchilada sauce.
Yep.
So that portion of it is going to be these ingredients. We'll start off by sauteing onion, some garlic, mix in tomato paste, some chipotle peppers, lime juice, a little bit of vegetable broth. Cook that up, blend it up. That's our enchilada sauce. We'll be roasting some sweet potatoes and then throwing that in with some sauteed kale and black beans, wrapping it up in the little wraps, pouring the sauce over top of it, putting it in the oven, baking it, topping it off with some guac, and bam, that's a wrap.
Yeah, that is literally, quite literally a wrap, because it will be wrapped up.
Yes, sir.
In the oven. Gotta love it. Can't wait for this one. Such a good one. Recipe in the description. Yeah! Alright, we'll see you here in a minute for our 5th meal. Alright. I already had the parsley, which is much worse than kale. Kale's bitter too, though, but way better than the parsley, which is terrible. Alright, we'll see you here in a second. Alright, meal number 5 is spinach and artichoke pasta. Here's the spinach and artichoke pasta. Ooh. Love. Using some chickpea pasta, I see.
Correct.
And yeah, let's hear how we accomplish it. I was going to say something, but I have no idea how this one's going to
big shock. Big shocker. There's going to be both spinach and artichoke.
What, dude? Now we're getting crazy,
Calm
man.
down. Wow. Yes.
Bruh.
So this one's going to be another Instant Pot one. It's going to consist of some sauteed onion, garlic, some spinach, artichoke, obviously, some cannellini beans for some extra protein in there. And then the sauce is going to be made out of cashews, lemon juice, some more ingredients that I can't think of off the top of my head, but we'll post the recipe, and throw in our chickpea pasta. So imagine like a spinach artichoke dip, but in pasta form. So I'll have a creamy cashew-based sauce.
Awesome. So that is our meal number 5. We will see you momentarily for our 6th and final meal of the week. Okay, so for our 6th and final meal, we have some Bang Bang Cauliflower Bowl. Even though it says Bang Bang Cauliflower Bowl.
Shut up.
That's what I was laughing about at the last one. I was like,
I missed it. I was trying to remember.
Bang Bang Cauliflower Bowl, baby. Ooh, look at that. Holy camoly. Little avocado on the side. Woo! Okay, so what's a Bang Bang Cauliflower Bowl?
Fuck it's something I saw on Instagram and it looked good, so we're going to make it.
Alright.
Yeah, so it's gonna consist of some roasted...
Oh, that's how you shake it up like a beast.
Okay. It's going to consist of some roasted cauliflower. And it's going to be roasted in some chili crisp, some chili paste, a little bit of maple syrup, soy sauce. Mix that all together. As well as some ginger in there too. I'm going to roast some chickpeas in the oven as well.
Indeed.
Along with some kale. Throw it over some rice. And then we're going to be making a vegan sour cream based sauce using cashews and some lemon juice.
We will see you next time. Click the playlist and search through all of our previous videos where we are giving you a million free recipe ideas. You don't have to spend any time searching them out. We're going to tell you all the bangers. All right? The recipes are going to be in the description too. Boom.
Oh.
We're out of here. Oh, but we got to hit them with a flex before we're out of here, of course. How else did we come up with the thumbnail? All right. Let's get it. A couple different poses for him. Ah! Yeah, baby. Woo! Ah! Bah!
How strong did that look? Not look so strong.
Psh! Bah! All right. Until next time. See you later.